victory, you set the tone early para hindi na makabawi pa yung NU. So ano yung masasabi mo sa pinakita yung performance to save your campaign?
Kaya nung sinabi ko last game namin, we shy away from our identity. We did not run, we did not play our defense. Ngayon, it's a total team effort. Gaya ng sinabi nyo, the first group set the tone. We have relentless defense from the start until the end of the game. I think that sets the tone for us. And of course, yung mga nandito ngayon sa harap played really, really well. Hats off to ambos kahit may dalawang error nung huli. Bridget and also Karin.
Thank you. First duration, you have 13 points, 4 rebounds, 2 assists, and 1 steal. So ano masasabi mo, Rachel, na yun nga, talaga naglaro kayo ng sense of urgency pa, syempre, magkaroon ng game urgency.
First, ayun nga, team effort sabi ni Coach na we have, since nga next senior na ako, I have to step up, ganun. I have to lead din sa team since nasa first group ako. Kasi hindi kami papayag na matatapos lang yung finals game ngayon.
Thank you. And to Bridge, 15.7 assists, 4 steals. So yun nga, maganda yung umpisa nyo, talagang na-sustain yung kagdulo. So ano masasabi mo na yun nga, may isa pa kayong game na lalaroin para may chance kayong mabawi kahit?
Yung previous game na natalo ko sa inyo, malaking impact siya sa amin kasi malaking din siya, factor kung bakit kami nanalo ngayon kasi mas parang nagising kami ba, kumbaga hindi kasi namin nagawa yung kung ano dapat namin gawin yung first game, kumbaga parang nag-relax kami. So yung ngayong game, yun talaga yung identity namin na dapat tuloy-tuloy ang namin gawin. So yeah, it's all about effort.
Career, 17 points, 5 rebounds. This afternoon of the bench, ano masasabi mo nga, yung na-sustain mo yung sinimulan ng first group para makuha niyo yung panalo?
Siguro nag-enjoy lang kami sa game. Yun nga yung first round namin na wala enjoy namin. Sobrang nag-focus talaga kami. So, noon nagigil namin yung first round. Pero ngayon, sobrang ganda ng sistema namin ngayon. Lahat na sunod sana sa game 3, ganun pa rin.
Thank you. Okay, Roy, so first question.
Coach, ano lang, parang in retrospect lang siguro nung game 1. Like, how much was it physically dahil yung mas game shape sila?
Yeah.
Kasi had more games than kayo.
Yeah.
And how much was it mentally siguro?
Yun nga, in respect dun sa NU, of course, parati pag NU UST talagang parating magandang series namin for the past 3 years already. Nung first round kasi parang naunahan kami number 1 on the physicality. Parang tanggap lang kami ng tanggap ng physicality. Ngayon medyo binigyan rin namin a dose of their own medicine pa rin na kailangan maging physical kami. We put that in the training, in mindset ng mga bata. Secondly, yung mentality nga. I think they were tight nung first game, kaya di namin na-execute yung game plan na gusto namin. And lastly, hopefully, come by Sunday, yung lahat ng adjustments ng NU maka-counter din namin for us to reclaim the crown.
Eh, Bridget na lang, parang favorite mo ata yung game 2. Game 2
Sana
always,
pag game 3.
always one of their best games ng game 2. Saan lang siguro nanggagaling na pag itong ganitong game. Mas lumalabas talaga yung game, more than ever.
Siguro yung eagerness lang talaga na hindi kami magpapatalo kahit syempre, alam namin na defending champion sila. So, natalo namin sila elimination. So, wala na kaming dapat ikatakot eh. So, nasa amin yung kalaban lang talaga namin yung sarili. So, that's it.
Coach, nabanggit na kanina yung parang mental lapses ng game 1. Sa tingin mo ba this time around, beyond the physicality na naka-adapt kayo, medyo naka-adapt na ba yung girls in terms of yung having the right mindset and mental preparation for this game today?
I guess, adapt naman na siguro. with the outcome of the game today. Of course, we will keep pushing them to do the right things, especially do or die yun na yung game 3. Wala nang masyadong X and O's. It's all about heart, kung sino talaga yung gusto manalo on Sunday, that will prevail.
Ayun na. Ayun na, do or die na sa Sunday, and knowing last game na yun na Kent at ni Eka, gaano ka-eager ka na lang na iiwan na lahat dun sa court on Sunday para nga pabigyan sila ng magandang send-off ng championship?
Siguro, yung laro talaga para sa kanila talaga since ang dami na lang pinagdaanan. So, ayun, bibigay ko lang yung best ko para mabigyan sila ng magandang sa
same scenario as compared to last year, and you know na game 1
Yeah.
and game 2 kayo na dominant win. So, how eager are you just to rewrite history this time around and hopefully exit game 2 and game 3 in champion?
Yeah, I hope, yun nga, every time na nananalo yung NU, we never get to close the game pag game 3. So, we want to rewrite the history na on game 3 kami naman ang mag-reclaim. We will do our best. We will put the players to their best part for them to become successful pagdating sa game 3.
Coach, paano nyo lang po in-absorb or pinasas yung shock factor kumbaga after?
Sinigawan ko lang naman sila ng mga isang oras. No. They know na yung tumalo talaga sa kanila nung last game, it's themselves. They didn't play the game that we're supposed to play. And I think number one na maganda sa amin is we're very open because of our relationship with the players. Sinasabi namin, di namin sinusugarcoat like si Onse, talagang sinabihan ko sa kanya, di ba Onse? Tapos naiyak nga siya. So I think na-absorb nila yan. Ang maganda sa mga bata is they're very coachable. Sinusunod nila kung ano yung mga sinasabi na critical criticisms from the coaches. And yun siguro yung factor din kung bakit panalo kami today.
Congratulations, Coach